Welcome to my Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial in 2025. This is going to be the most up-to-date Amazon Associates tutorial from someone who's actually earned a full-time living on Amazon Associates and who's currently making 4 figures per month from Amazon in 2025. So let me start by giving you a quick overview of this video. Now, I've watched most of the popular Amazon affiliate marketing videos, and I wanted to make something different from most of what I was seeing out there, which was mostly just based on doing simple setup, but people weren't actually showing you results and what's working in 2025, what's actually making sales. So the first point I'm going to share is why you should actually wait before you sign up for Amazon Associates, which is a tip that I did not hear from any other video, but I actually think that this will help you in the long run. Next, I'm going to teach you how to actually get traffic and sales to your Amazon Associates links without a following or spending a dime on paid ads, instead of getting kicked out in 180 days like most newbies. And third, I'm going to teach you how to build evergreen online real estate that attracts Amazon sales on autopilot 24/7, 365 days a year. Okay, so the first thing I actually want to share with you, which I didn't find in pretty much any other Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial video, is my personal results with Amazon Associates dating all the way back to 2014 and now in 2025, because I think it's really interesting. So just to show you right now, I frequently sell over $1,000 per day on autopilot for one of my affiliate websites on Amazon Associates. You can see this is March 2025 in just the last week or so. And I can actually show you historically all the way dating back here to my very beginning with Amazon Associates. So you can actually see I started in 2014, and you can see these payments: $32, $24, $137. And basically you can see this slow climb and this slow growth in my Amazon Associates earnings, and all of a sudden it just blew up around 2016 when I first earned $1,000. So maybe 1.5 years or so since I started, I had my first 4-figure month, and then after that it continued to grow, continually earning thousands of dollars per month until I stepped away from my full-time Amazon Associates business at the end of 2016, where it earned $3,000, and I basically quit Amazon cold turkey around this time. Now, what I think is even more interesting is, as an experiment and a case study in 2024, you can see here that this was earning, next to nothing. But as the case study grew, and you can just see every month it's like less than $1, but very quickly we went from $18 to $85, $170, $261, $375, $492, and then $1,000 way faster in 2024 than you saw originally back in 2014, 2015, 2016. And bringing it back to the present day, like I showed before, selling thousands in March 2025. This is super recent. And I actually want to also show you an experiment that I've been running, a faceless YouTube channel that started 2 weeks ago and already has over 12,000 views. So the interesting thing that I want to share with you because of all those results is that I truly believe it's easier now in 2025 than it was 10 years ago. And I have the data and the earnings and the growth to back that up. And this is not just from my own part-time case studies and experiments that I'm just running for fun. This is also backed by my students who were able to hit the same income goals much faster than it took me. All right, so I hope you're excited to learn today, but I just want to make a very quick announcement. If you're watching this video, I just launched the newest version of my flagship one-on-one mentorship program, Passive Income Lifestyle 3.0. This is the same system that took some students from zero to over $3,100 per month in 12 months last year. It's the exact same system, but it's been streamlined, it's been improved from all the student successes and mistakes over the last year to make it even better than ever before. Now, to celebrate the launch, we're doing an 80% off early bird sale that is limited time with only 20 seats available. If you want to learn more about how it works, what's included, I actually created a special video here on the sales page, and this will be the first link in the description so you can learn more. If you have any questions, you can email support@odiproductions.com or book a quick 15-minute call to see if this is right for you. On this page is just a quick sample of everything that's new, everything that you're gonna get. I truly believe this is the most comprehensive affiliate marketing mentorship that's also hands-on with personalized feedback. And I just believe this is the most comprehensive training out there today. So check it out. First link in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. But let's get back to the video. So my first point here that I didn't see in any of these other videos, which again, I watched a bunch of Amazon affiliate marketing tutorials and they were very good in terms of the production quality. They had amazing video and audio and they had really useful tips on the setup, but that's not what I want to focus on in this video because the setup is really not the hard part. Getting into Amazon Associates is also not a hard part because to be honest, they're one of the easiest programs to get into as long as you have a URL for a website, maybe even social media. But the hard part comes after you get into the program, but then you need to meet that quota of 3 sales in 180 days last time I checked. This is a quota that is actually much harder, especially if you're just getting started today. 6 months is gonna go by just like that and you'll have 0 sales, get kicked out, and you're gonna get discouraged, demotivated, and you're just gonna make your life that much harder. So my first advice that is counterintuitive to what I'm seeing out there is you should wait before you sign up for Amazon Associates. So here in this first example, this is how most newbies and beginners think affiliate marketing works. First step, you get your affiliate links. So you go to all the affiliate programs and networks, you go sign up, you apply, you get approved, you get your links, and then you go out into the wilderness or the online landscape. You build your website or YouTube channel or Instagram account, and then you just put your affiliate links wherever you can spam them, okay? And then magically, this is going to result in a profit, okay? And this is that thinking of if you build it, they will come. And I can tell you with all my years of experience, no, they will not come. Now, here's how a pro does it, which is the second example. You start with building that website, building that YouTube channel, okay? And then you create SEO content that attracts buyers. So you focus on how do you build up that traffic? How do you get eyeballs and attention? Because this step alone, these 2 steps, they can take 6 months just to learn the ropes and just to start getting some traction. Okay. And then you get your affiliate links by applying to the programs and you add them into your existing content and your current content and future content, and then you profit. This is what actually works. And the reason why I say you should wait. So if there's like a 6-month shot clock and that time is ticking from the moment you get accepted into the Amazon Associates affiliate program, my reasoning is you should just start that clock 6 months later after you already have some traction on your website or YouTube channel. You're already getting like a consistent number of monthly visits or views. You can add affiliate links anytime you want. You don't need affiliate links to get started. That is totally backwards thinking. And to be honest, most affiliate programs are harder to get into than Amazon. They need you to have a website. They need you to have consistent traffic. If it's social media, they need you to have followers. And you should focus on building those assets and those properties and that online real estate first, because getting into affiliate programs and adding affiliate links can take literally 1 day, whereas actually building up your content and your channel and your website, that can take months, if not 1 whole year. So the last point I want to make about this is be careful with junk food content on YouTube and on podcasts that promise easy. I watched some of these videos and they made it look so easy where you just grab an Amazon URL, you just paste it into this AI content generator and it's just going to spit out a review. But the thing is, these videos don't show you any results. They don't even show you a single screenshot of any Amazon Associates sales from the methods that they're teaching you. But it's junk food in the sense that it's so tasty and attractive, but just like junk food, you eat it, it has no nutritional value, and you're just going to be hungry again in 15 minutes. It's the same with this content on YouTube that is so fun to consume, but it's not actually going to move the ball forward. All right, so now that we've set the stage, let's move on to the second point of how to get traffic and sales without a following or spending a dime on paid ads. So the first thing about this is SEO. You need to focus on evergreen discoverability and attracting ready-to-buy shoppers 24/7, 365. And here's the thing, online at every minute, every hour of the day, people are shopping and researching things to purchase and buy online. And I know you do not need a following because, like I'm showing here in my faceless YouTube experiment in 2025, as recent as it gets, 12,000 views in the last 2 weeks with 0 subscribers to start. Where did they come from? Simply put, I'm making content that people are already searching for. through the keywords in my title and in the description and in the videos and products that people are already shopping for. There's already a market for these things. I'm not creating the market. The market already exists. People are already researching all of these keywords. I'm just showing up on the other side of those searches, both on YouTube and on Google. Okay, so discoverability is important. If you have no followers, you need discoverability because you don't have an inbuilt audience that is just going to get notified of your latest video. So instead, you need to just make content that already has a market. It already has an audience, okay? Now, the second point is the highest converting types of content for Amazon affiliate marketing sales. These are going to be your bread and butter individual product reviews, comparisons head to head. If you're comparing two brands against each other or two popular models against each other, best of posts like best air fryers 2025. How-to tutorials is an underrated way that you can actually make a ton of sales without being overly salesy as long as you're providing value. So even if you make a review and, at the end of the day, the point of the review is probably to sell the product, as long as you provide value to help someone make a purchase decision, you're going to make money. Amazon's all about helping people make purchase decisions. It's simple as that. And then lastly, my point about traffic and sales is you need to focus on trust and EEAT. So experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. People don't buy unless they trust you or your brand first, okay? That is why all of these tutorials that I'm seeing that lack trust, they lack that authenticity, and they lack that expertise, this stuff doesn't actually sell. It looks pretty when they're showing you a demo of just AI generating some product review or whatever. But at the end of the day, if they don't have results to back it up and say, this is selling thousands of dollars, then we need to say no to the junk food and we need to actually take the medicine. We need to actually do things the right way. Okay, so let's move on to how to build evergreen online real estate that attracts Amazon sales on autopilot 24/7, 365. So the first tip I have here is you need to start small. I always get the question, what if you don't have these products on hand? Nobody starts with thousands of dollars of products on hand, okay? I did not start that way. I didn't even start with one product in my hand. I reviewed products that I never owned by simply researching the best options and then creating content about that. Now, that is easier with blog posts because with blog posts, you can get away generally with not having footage of the product. You can just have like these images, and that's what I did to start. You have to be scrappy. Now, when I was ready to invest more into my business and level up, what I would do is arbitrage of getting my hands on products in really scrappy ways. I would find ways to save a ton of money by buying them used on eBay, selling them back again used on eBay, barely losing any money, but I gained a piece of online real estate. If I do a review, if I do a YouTube video review, or I do a blog post, and let's say I do have the product in my hand, which is a huge advantage, okay? Once I do that content, it's there on the internet to live forever, and it can get me traffic and sales. I can move on to my next piece of online real estate, which would be the next product or the next keyword, okay? Nobody has to know that these products are coming and going, in the back end, because as long as I do that piece of content, it's done. And that online real estate is established and I'm planting that seed. And the next point is reinvesting your earnings. Once the business is producing monthly income, you can now easily go out and invest into more products to increase the gap on the competition. And this is how the rich get even richer, okay? And, at the end of the day, you want to join that side of the rich getting richer and having a competitive advantage over everyone. If everybody's struggling with getting their hands on products and they don't want to, do YouTube, they don't want to make good content, you need to go the opposite way and do what's hard because that's going to give you the most results. And point number 3 about building this online real estate is expand to YouTube. Sooner the better, okay? So we've had a couple live streams lately with students who are earning over 4 figures per month, and one common thread is YouTube is a part of their strategy, and it's a part of the strategy that I teach in the mentorship. And YouTube videos can typically out-earn the same blog post content 5 to 1 or more. So I'm talking 5 times the sales or more. Now, if you do both and you have online real estate both on YouTube search engine and on Google, which YouTube videos do show up page 1 of Google, by the way, then you're building your online real estate empire. And before you know it, if you can just knock out every keyword, every product, you're going to be getting a piece of that product's volume of sales every single month. And again, I just want to highlight this point here on this faceless YouTube experiment that I've been running for fun 12,000 views in 2 weeks. If you made a website that got 12,000 visits in 2 weeks, like from the beginning of just launching the website with no visitors, no promotion, nothing, a website that got 12,000 visits in 2 weeks would be unheard of. But on YouTube, there's possibility to do that if you know what you're doing, if you have a system that works, if you know how to do SEO, you can get incredible results with no following. All right, just to show you one more example of this online real estate, I told one of my students that your business is like a stock. You need to just keep investing into it every single week, and it can grow and it can build in its value over time, and it can become a real asset. And in this example right here, this asset was worth less than $100 per month, and in 1 year grew to over $18,000 per month in organic traffic value here on Ahrefs. So you can just see this chart is going up and to the right, and it continues to grow. And that's what happens when you invest into having this online real estate. Now, obviously there's a ton more that goes into Amazon Associates, and I couldn't cover everything in this video. I would watch other videos if you're basically worried about the setup or applying. That kind of content is covered in other videos better. What I like to focus on is actually the bottom line, getting results. How are you actually going to hit that 3 sales in 180 days? And so I just want to invite you again, if you're interested in one-on-one mentorship and you want my step-by-step process and my copy and paste Google Doc templates for these product reviews, these comparisons, the informational articles that are ranking page 1 on Google in 2025. And just to show you, not just ranking page 1, but actually having over 500 in the top 3. So positions 1, 2, and 3 on Google. That is not an easy feat, especially for a domain rating less than 10. You can get all of that and more in my one-on-one mentorship, which is currently on that 80% off early bird sale. If you're ready to finally launch something and start building your own online real estate, I highly recommend you check that link out and you sign up before the spots run out. If you learned something from this video, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, letting me know your feedback, and you can check out more of my affiliate marketing content next. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.